chart, there are 4 things you need to look out for before taking a trade. Number 1 is session. For instance, if you are trading, we have London session. For instance, we have London session, we have New York session, we have Asian session. So we have Asian session. So guys, you must identify the session you are trading. You must identify your session and make sure you appear only on your session. For instance, if you are trading London session, for instance you are trading London session, make sure you appear only on London session. So, and number 2 is the direction of the market. Guys, after you have identified your session, the number 2 is the direction. For instance, you ask yourself, is the market, is it bullish? Is the market bullish, or is the market bearish? Or is the market bearish? So this is the second thing you must know, whether the market is bullish or bearish. Is very important. So, and number 3, the number 3 you must know is your setup, your edge. How does your setup look like? Before this time, you might know, as in you already know how your setup look like. For instance, if you trade support and resistance, or supply and demand. For instance, when you mark out your break of structure, then you wait for price to approach your demand. Then you wait for price to approach your demand. Then you take your trade to the upside from here. So I'm just using it as an example. If this is your edge, your setup, so make sure number 3 is to identify your setup. That is the number 3. Before execution, before you execute your trade. For instance, if you are trading that support and resistance that I use as an example now, if you are trading support and resistance, you must have patience. For instance, if price is still on the way, around this place, you must have patience for price to pull back before taking your trade to the upside. So guys, this is the last one. Execution is the last one. So number 1 is your session. Identify the session you are trading, either London session, Asian session, or New York session. So, and number 2 is the direction of the market. So, and number 3 is your edge. Define your edge. Then number 4 is execution. So guys, this is the 4th thing you must put into consideration before taking a trade. So this is how I trade every single day. So it's very important, guys, very important. So I hope this video will be helpful. So have a nice day.